Hi, good time, and we're going to be unboxing. Hey you guys, here I just wanted to show you guys the things she gave to me. So every time you hear me say she, I meant the brand, which is Juice Herban, that I'm reviewing today. We're just going to be unboxing quickly, and I'm going to be showing you guys the things she gave to me and what they look like on me, what sizes I wear, and all of that just, I'm gonna show you guys the material, and I'm gonna try to stretch it for you guys to see also what it looks like on me. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So this is the packaging it came in. I'm just going to display all of these outfits or sportswear onto my clothing rack there so we can see what we're working with individually. This is a video of me making an unboxing for Instagram, so if you don't follow me on the Instagram, make sure you check me out at Olaide Olowale. I'm gonna leave it on the screen so you can see. I also made a preview in my previous videos. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and check that out. So here are the pieces, and you can already tell from holding them and displaying them on the table that they look quite thick, and they feel like towel in your hand, but very stretchy and comfortable. Honestly, I cannot describe the material in this clothing because it's so thick. It's so nice. This feels so good to touch. Like, you guys have no idea. You can see the way I'm pulling and stretching it here. Like, it feels so tight to pull. The material is so strong. It's a strong silicone material that they use to do this, and it feels so good. Just going to hang them first, and then we can address everything individually. Okay, so this is our very first piece. I'm really in love with the color. For someone like me that doesn't like to put on colors, this color is actually perfect because it's not too much, it's not too bright, and it's not too dull. It's between white and nude blue, like a water blue, sky blue, something like that. So the color is just perfect for neutral color people. It makes me feel so smart, and it's just like Gardo. It feels like when you're wearing like a waist trainer, it feels so tight, it feels so supportive of your body. I really love the comfort it gives me. I don't know, I kind of feel like some type of like gym rat. I'm kind of feeling that vibe from wearing this, and you guys can tell like there's the logo of the brand right there. That is not too much. Right here, it's also here, it's not too much. I feel like the idea of this outfit is just really nice. I'm wearing size 6'8", which that is like a small, extra small. Some people call it medium, but that's fine. But I know myself, I wear 6'8", so if you wear 6'8", this is just perfect. Also, you can get this in different sizes, so if you wear large, extra large, you would definitely find your size. So this is our second item on the list, and if I tell you that I am so in love, I'm so in love with it. Look guys, it has this hand glove thing. It's so fashionable. I love the detail on the chest, how it's cut like that and still giving me enough support on my boobs. Just magnificent. And can you guys see what I look like from the back? I feel like this piece is something I can wear to the mall, something I can wear to shop, It's just so, I don't think it's this one only though. I think the other one also, I can wear it like that. It's just so comfortable. Look at that. It is also so easy to put on, so if you have a bigger weight than me, this piece will be very nice on you because it will be so easy for you to put on. And the fact that the legs are short just makes it easier to put on. It's also available in different sizes, so make sure to check them out and pick the size that you would like. Yeah. Let me go and change to the third one before I run out of English words. Okay, this is the third one. You can see the details on this piece, the animal print or whatever you want to call this. You can see the name is a lot more obvious. This really snatches my waist even more than the first or the second one. I feel like this band really just helps you to get your waist cinched. This material is a lot more thicker than the first and the second one. There is like a boob guard in this to help your boobs. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, there's like something inside. I don't know, maybe it's silicone or it's foam or whatever, but there's something here to help your boobs to stay in place. I love the strap on the end. I really love this because it feels so free and sporty. I feel like I can also wear this to the mall or something like that. This one I would be able to wear it at home, to do like a quick home workout, Pilates and all of that. This would be actually perfect for Pilates. Yeah. So let's go change to the last one. Okay. So I feel like there's a lot more details with this one. I love the fact that I can take so much space when I'm talking to you guys. Anyways, I feel like there's so much details with this one because look at the chest, guys. Look at the chest. It has this little detail in chest, and look at the hands. It's also like the hand glove thing. So comfortable, so fashionable, and I love the fact that there's so much details into it. Like you can see at the back. The pattern of the outfit of the sport wear. I can also feel the strength of the girdle of the pants of the trainer in my waistline. It just feels so tight around there. I don't know if you guys can even see from the camera that I'm straining myself to let my stomach go. The strength in the pants is there 100%. It's just so really nice. It's just so really nice. So yeah, that would be all for all this outfit. I don't have a promo code. I would have said you guys should go ahead and use my promo code to get it, but if there is any promo code later in the future, I'm gonna leave it in the description or on the screen later in the future, so you can go ahead and check it out. But at this point, at the moment, I don't have any promo code. I'm sorry. You can go ahead and check out Juice Auburn. You can go ahead and check out Juice Auburn on Instagram, and you will find all of these amazing pieces there. You can also check them out if you're in Accra, Ghana. Yeah, the shop is located at Achimota. I'll leave the address, the detail of the address also in the description. So you guys make sure you check it out and join the gym girlies like me. This is gonna be actually my first outfit because I'm gonna go to the mall and I need something, and I feel like this can just go to the mall with me. What do you think? It kind of holds my butt up, and it also has this band is kind of thick enough to cinch my waist. I don't know how they came up with that, but thank you Juice Award for these beautiful pieces. I really appreciate them, and yeah, I'm gonna be wearing them every day now. I'm sorry I see that, but yeah. Okay, so that will bring us to the end of today's video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to comment and tell me which one is your favorite. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to me already, and join the family. Turn on the post notifications so when I post the next video, you'll be the first to be notified. Alrighty, don't let me take any more of your time. Thank you once again for joining. I really appreciate, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.